Look at this. We got a glass elevator here at the mall. And I'm not sure what brand it is. Oh, look at that. I think that's the lantern. That's kind of neat. All right, let's check it out. Oh, that doesn't work. Anyway, oh my, this thing's fucking massive. Holy shit. This is huge. All right, looks like a Montgomery, maybe? Wow. Okay, hold on. Before we go anywhere, let's just get a look at this thing. This is monstrous. Indicator, COP on this side. Likewise for that side. Let's go ahead and go further. All right. Capacity is 10,000. Damn. All right, up to 2. Nice. All right, down to 1. Floor indicator already changes. And they're already blasting Christmas music in November. Gotta love it. All right, we'll go up one more time. Nice. That lantern doesn't work either. But anyway, we will, there it goes. I guess this part's all mirrored, but there goes the elevator, and that's it.